Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. Tonight's bike is Nate's 2018 Road Glide CVO. We removed both the CVO amplifiers, his wiring, sealed up the big quick disconnects he had in his bag. We sealed up both sides on both bags. Make it look good, no water will leak in here. He had the factory 5x7s in the lids on a CVO bike. So we use our 702 Motoring 5x7 to 6x9 CVO lid adapters with a very small 3/8" spacer right there to fit the Diamond Audio MP694 coaxial horn. And as you know how we wire our horns separately from our mids, all using ferrules and heat shrink. The crossover is hidden underneath the cover here on both sides. Our quick disconnects we think are we feel second to none. So here's the second bag right here. Artwork, take the time to do the job, beyond awesome. In the front, we got the Diamond Audio MP. I apologize, loss of thought there for a second. I just found out tonight that someone passed away that's in the car audio, actually the Harley audio industry. The owner of Cicada passed away today, and I just got that information just a few moments ago. So my mind's a little, you know, going through that type of stuff there. So MS Pro 65 mid and MO75T shallow horn that he custom built in the grills. We believe that's the winning combination, and a Soundigital 800.4 amplifier. As usual, 2 channels running the horns front and the horns rear. 2 channels running the mids front, mids rear. That way we can tune our horns separately from the mids. We believe that is the winning combination. So tonight's music will be from Tom MacDonald. This song is No Response. It's a wicked song, guys. Some of you may know it, a lot of you may not. It's a wicked freaking song. This guy, lyrical, very lyrical. So let's see what we got, Tom.
I'm the rapper that these other rappers jealous of. I made more off CDs than rappers who are selling drugs. True story. Every single aspect independent. I got texts from presidents and major labels I ain't read yet. Told my manager I'd knock him out and he was like the homie. Then I fired him. If you're watching this, I'm sorry, dog. Au revoir. I don't need nobody's help. It's me and Nova by ourselves. Come here, babe. This is the entire team, nobody else. I conceptualize, produce, and write like every record. Me and Nova work the hooks, then they're mixed and mastered by Evan. This is homegrown. Shout out all the rappers who have thrown stones. I'ma die rich while your casket full of broke bones. I ain't gonna respond to all your disses, look I get it. Your videos get no views, you say my name and people click it. But I'm different, you need clout and you're desperate to make a living. But my bank account already full, I counted 7 digits like fuck y'all, attack me with disses, attract all the critics. I'll have the predictions, surpass all the lyrics. Go whacker the rapper, the more he's angered by the fact that I'm winning. I'm stacking the millions, it's tragic to witness like cancer in children. Hey, no playlist, no pay clicks, no fake shit. Rappers call me gay cause my braids pink. Yo main bitch, go crazy, so wasted. Front row at my show, I'm her favorite. My fans, they basically hate that I made it. Get paid more in a day than they claim on their paycheck. I'm patient, but say my name again, I ain't playing. I'll buy the place that you stay in, then raise the rent to the space in your parents' basement is vacant. They call me privileged, y'all can't admit that I'm gifted. I did it.
They say it can't be done without a digital sound processor. Let me tell you, it can be done. Max volume, baby. It's all about the tuning and the experience you have.
I'm the rapper that these other rappers jealous of. I made more off CDs than rappers who are selling drugs. True story. Every single aspect independent. I got texts from presidents and major labels I ain't read yet. Told my manager I'd knock him out and he was like the homie. Then I fired him. If you're watching this, I'm sorry, dog. Au revoir. I don't need nobody's help. It's me and Nova by ourselves. Come here, babe. This is the entire team, nobody else. I conceptualize, produce, and write like every record. Me and Nova work the hooks, then they're mixed and mastered by Evan. This is homegrown. Shout out all the rappers who have thrown stones. I'ma die rich while your casket full of broke bones. I ain't gonna respond to all your disses, look I get it. Your videos get no views, you say my name and people click it. But I'm different, you need clout and you're desperate to make a living. But my bank account already full, I counted 7 digits like fuck y'all, attack me with disses, attract all the critics. I'll have the predictions, surpass all the limits. The whacker the rapper, the more he's angered by the fact that I'm winning. I'm stacking the millions, it's tragic to witness like cancer in children. Hey, no playlist, no pay clicks, no fake shit. Rappers call me gay cause my braids pink. Yo main bitch, go crazy, so wasted. Front row at my show, I'm her favorite. My fans, they basically hate that I made it. Get paid more in a day than they claim on their paycheck. I'm patient. fake it. They call me privileged, y'all can't admit that I'm gifted. I did it without a label's assistance. I made the business decisions, I overcame the addictions. Lived in the streets, got evicted, kicked it with killers and strippers. But still my vision was different. I bought a mic, started spitting, produced the beats and I mixed it. I turned my hand into a fist and flipped the bird to the system. I prayed I finished my mission and keep my image consistent. I fixed the parts that were missing and switched the gas and the pistons. It's mathematics and physics, I had to travel the distance. I had to add some ambition and then subtract my suspicions. I wanted castles and riches, headed for caskets or prisons. I battled glasses of liquor and cabinets packed with prescriptions. And still these fucking rappers wanna sneak this all over my Facebook, always trying to tweet shit. I ain't gonna keep this a secret, my marketing genius. That algorithm triggered by exploiting your weakness. And y'all can call me clickbait and gimmicks, I call me rich. A million monthly listens on Spotify, suck my dick. I'm about to drop a couple $1 million on a crib, $250,000 on a whip. I just sent my mama grip. And first of all, I heard it all. I could write a perfect song. I Google the net worth of rappers hating and I don't respond. Middle finger from a private jet. I don't give a single flying fuck. Every single person I have met, pussy in person on Twitter they come.
Yo, if rappers wanna beef, I got the roast pan. Put them in the dirt like a fucking UFO crash. Double time rappers mad at murder it with slow raps. All they do is go fast. Turn them to some ghosts with the most facts. Slow clap, pull them triggers quickly with no blowback. Cracking under pressure like a cold blast. No fans, jealous that I rose fast. Y'all are on the road back. Look at your career, it's a joke, man. Mama said I won't last. Say you got the smoke, can't afford gas. Oh man, so sad. You record your album in a closet full of clothes with a notepad. Strong on the outside, muscles with no bone mass.
Let's look at me for a second, man. I was deep in depression, making me weak and pathetic. I thought I needed their glasses, it leaves an impression. I feel the infection, repeating the lessons will only lead to me, and that's a lethal injection. And I was facing a dragon with no medieval invention. I go to sleep and dream my life would be for me if I catch it. I let my demons possess me till I woke up in a wreckage and realized that I destroyed a whole cathedral of blessings. It's like my feet were magnetic, the string was steel, we connected. I couldn't seem to reach the sky no matter how far I'm stretching. And I was beaten to death and screaming for help for a second. Now I put everything I bleed into complete in my records. I can't compete with my past, but I'm still seeking the relics. And I believe with every breath I breathe the sequel is better. No fear, surrender, I'm clear. The pressure, the tears I remember will never let me forget I was near to the devil. I never claimed to be holy, but I got angels protection. I got a barbed wire halo and devil horns I don't mention. Yeah, the Lord is my savior, but shit, revenge is so tempting. I don't expect to see heaven. If that's the case, I respect it. Cause I tried to cage the beast, but it's woken up the broken lines and crushing everything I see like empty cans of soda pop. You titties on your knees like a grandma who don't own the block. Put a bullet in your head like words you only spoke to God.
Rolling through an ocean all alone inside an open box. Frozen from the blowing snow and soaking through my only socks. Y'all noticed me and chose the heat, so now the water's boiling hot. You hope I broke them dope and poked them back and turned to solid rock. Hey, I ain't talking to you losers like you know the cops. I'm rich and that ain't bad for a kid who couldn't hold a job. Budget brand rappers, all that Gucci fake I own a lot. You can't afford the way I live, you trying to control the cost.
Whoa, I'm in solo mode, your promo won't affect the drop. Artists that you promo don't have clout, the photo lights are bought. Try to put me in the dirt, I'll thrive like you were growing pot. You prototypes are hurt, y'all need work, let me open shop. Y'all don't understand me like a burner phone that's coded top. You'll never see my POV like you don't know the GoPro off. Make sure that the drone is all in slow-mo, so when y'all get shot, the footage captures every single moment while your corpse is rot. Shoot it all broken, now it's touch it up in Photoshop. Upload it to YouTube with a donate button for your mom. So alarmed, y'all can never reach me with those broken arms. Untouchable as alcoholics' wallets at an open bar. Unbreakable Da Vinci Code embedded in like most my songs. Gang is full of animals, you think my home is Noah's Ark. Past is full of broken hearts, opponents that have blown apart. My logo on the stove, I let it smolder till they know the mark.
Y'all were finding Nemo, I composed a team of total sharks. Hid inside the reef and chiseled teeth till they were over sharp. Y'all fishy rappers went to sleep to dream of coral seas and stars. We silently and violently reminded y'all the ocean's dark. Lordy, I really feel sorry for your corny bars. Maybe you'll improve and this is setting up your story arc. I am more like Iron Man, you are more like Tony Stark. You're human, I'm a robo-suit equipped with guns and poison darts. Choking y'all to death like I am Homer home alone with Bart. I wish you fucking would on every glowing star. Chorus hard, high performance parts from a pro garage. All I see is smoke and sparks every time your motor starts. What more you got in store for me? Your death threats for ghost stories. And what's next gonna be painful? Gravestones.
All right, guys, max volume on a flash Harley Davidson radio. This bike effortlessly hit 130.7 decibels. Been doing this for over over 35 years, guys. I could do it without a digital sound processor. It's not needed. You don't have to spend the extra money. If you want to, by golly, we'll do it. I got a sound processor in that bike right there. And right now, this bike sounds better. Take that for what it's worth. Beautiful bike. Neat. Your bike's ready, brother, for the weekend. You can be a happy guy. I just think this is exactly what you'd be looking for. All right, guys. 702 Motoring, Las Vegas. We got the bikes. We got the bikes. Talk to you guys soon.